Okay, how do we solve this problem? Yes, I know many students want to run away from this question, but it's simple. Now let's go through it together. So let's start with x equals to the expression given, that is 6 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 6 and so on. Okay, so if we have this, so that implies that x equals to square root of 6 plus x. All right, since all what we have here is the same thing as x. All right, so now here you square both sides. So we have x squared equals to, so when you square this, when you square a number, it's going to give you what you have inside. So it's going to give you y. So here now we have 6 plus x. Okay, so now let's transpose 6 and x. So we have x squared negative x negative 6 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So can we solve this? So this is going to give you x minus 3x plus 2x negative 6 equals to 0. All right. So now let's factor out x here. So we have x negative 3. So the GCD here is plus 2. So we have x negative 3 equals to 0. So we can factor out x minus 3. So we have x minus 3. And then we are left with what? X plus 2 equals to 0. So we have two entities multiplying each other to have 0. So it's either x minus 3 is 0 or x plus 2 is 0. So here, let us add 2 to both sides. So we have x equals to 3. Or now here, we subtract 2 from both sides. We have x equals to negative 2. All right. So now x cannot be negative here. So therefore, say x equals to 3. So, and that is the answer to the problem. Thank you.